break all that shit. Even though I don't know what the hell you guys are doing here. I've never seen so much construction going on by a church, or I should say the parking lot of a church. There's a foreman there. Matter of fact, I don't remember the last time I saw a foreman actually wearing a dress shirt. That's how you know he's a foreman, no? Or maybe he's a land developer. Well, I don't know. Maybe he's a priest of the church. Anyway, I may not be the smartest man in the world, but I'm good at making theories. I would have made a good detective. Well, it's kind of interesting to watch. I'm just glad it's not going on my place, because there's been already enough construction in my place for the past 2 fucking years. You know?